Good morning, children. Once again, welcome back to the online English classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am your Vijida Miss. Dear children, we have already completed the summary, new words, question answers and grammar portion, adjectives of comparison. Yesterday, we discussed in detail about adjectives of comparison. Let us rediscuss yesterday's topic, adjectives of comparison. Which are they? 3 degrees of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Positive degree is used to refer to one object, person or place without using any comparisons. While comparative degree is used to compare two things or persons or places. And the third one is superlative degree. That is the best degree. It is used to compare more than two things. It is the ultimate. I hope you have cleared. Now, let us discuss the textual activities. All of you take page number 57.
Grammar. Read these sentences. The parrot's little eyes got even smaller with anger. The parrot flew out of her reach and perched on the nearest rose bush. See the letters that is in dark letter. See the words that is in dark letters. What are they? Smaller, nearest. When we compare two or more things, we use adjectives of comparison. This is the comparative degree. Smaller. See, smaller we have already studied ER. Isn't it? That is comparative degree. Then EST, nearest. The nearest. It is superlative degree. We add ER to the adjectives when we compare two people, animals or things. Example, I run faster than my friend Suraj. Kirti is taller than Suresh. We add EST to adjectives when we compare three or more people, animals or things. This is the superlative degree. For example, Amy is the fastest runner in our class. The fastest. Millie is the tallest girl in our group. With some adjectives, we use more and most. Do you remember, children? Yesterday we have taken that. Yes. When we use more and most, when the adjective word is long, with more than one syllable. Example, a truck is more expensive than a car. It is comparative degree. When superlative degree, how it comes? An aeroplane is the most expensive of all the vehicles. Now take page number 58. Section A. Write the missing adjectives. You can see a box below and 5 questions are there. 5 adjectives. They are in positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. You have to write the missing adjectives. First one is given for you. Strange, stranger, strangest. So second one. Here first one, strange, positive degree, stranger, comparative degree, strangest, superlative degree. What's the second one? Narrow, positive degree, narrower, comparative degree. So what is the superlative degree of narrow? Yes, narrowest. How you write? NARROWEST. Third one, easy. Easy. What is the comparative degree? Yes, easier. EASIER, easier. And superlative, easiest. E-A-S-I-E-S-T. Fourth one. Positive degree has not given. Comparative and superlative has given. What is it? Prettier, prettiest. So what is the positive degree of prettier and prettiest? Can you guess? Yes, the answer is pretty. What's the spelling? P-R-E-T-T-Y. And fifth one, good. And positive degree is good. Superlative degree is best. So what's the comparative degree? We have already studied it. I have already given you example for irregular degrees of comparison. Do you remember, children? Yes. So what's the answer? Good? Yeah. Better. What's the spelling of better? B-E-T-T-E-R. Better is the comparative degree. So let us read once more. Strange, stranger, strangest. Narrow, narrower, narrowest. Easy, easier, easiest. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. Good, better, best. Next one, section B. Circle the correct answer to complete these sentences. 6 questions are there. So read the questions carefully and circle the correct answer. First one has given for you. First question, the sun is the brightest star in the sky. The sun is the. The is already given. So it is the superlative degree. The brightest. Brightest. Second one. Your room is dash than mine. Bigger or biggest? There is a comparison and than is given. So what is the answer? Yes, bigger. So circle the word bigger. B-I-G-G-E-R. Yeah. And third one. Arya is more hardworking, most hardworking than her brother. Here also than is given. So which one? More or most? Yeah, more. So the answer more hardworking. Circle the answer more hardworking. Then fourth one. My aunt is youngest than my mother. Here also than. So it is a comparative degree. So which one? Younger or youngest? Yeah, younger. E-R. Y-O-U-N-G-E-R. Younger. Circle the answer younger. Fifth one. This is the funniest or funnier film I have ever seen. Here the is given. The is for superlative degree. It is the best degree. So the funnier or funniest? E-S-T. Yes. So which one will be the answer? Funniest. So circle the answer funniest. This is the funniest film I have ever seen. Sixth one. This is the more interesting or most interesting painting in this museum. This is the. The comes before superlative adjective. So the most interesting, isn't it? The most interesting. Circle the answer, the most interesting. So we can read once more. First one, the sun is the brightest star in the sky. Second one, your room is bigger than mine. Third one, Arya is more hardworking than her brother. Fourth one, my aunt is younger than my mother. Fifth one, this is the funniest film I have ever seen. Sixth one, this is the most interesting painting in this museum. Next, spelling. Look at these words. Chief, peace, field, view. receive, ceiling. See the spellings. IE, that is in another color. It is in blue color, isn't it? What is the difference? Almost in all words, here I comes before E. See chief, CHIE. Peace, PIE. Field, FIE. View, VIE. Then next one, receive, ceiling. Is there any difference? Yes, here E comes before I. E comes before I. Receive, RECEI. Ceiling, CEI. Isn't it? So, read the sentence below. Remember, I usually comes before E except some cases. Which are that cases? When it comes after C, as in ceiling. When E and I comes after C, how it comes? It comes, E comes before I. E comes before I. When E and I make a long A sound, as in wait. Wait. How it comes? A, E, I. We have to write E, I, not I, E, because E and I makes a long A sound. At that time also, E, I is used. So, which are the cases? When E and I comes after C. After C, we have to use E, I. And also, when E and I makes a long A sound, we have to write EI, not IE. We have to use EI. So, read once more. Chief, peace, field, view, receive, ceiling. Remember, I usually comes before E except when it comes after C, as in ceiling. Receive, etc. When E and I make a long A sound, as in wait. Now, complete these words with EI or IE. First one. Another word for get is what? Receive. Here also receive. REC. After C, we have to use EI, not IE, EI. Second one. A person who steals is a... Who is the person who steals? Yes, he is a thief. So, what's the spelling of thief? T-H, yes, I-E-F. I-E. Almost all words we have to use I-E. Remember, I usually comes before E in almost all cases. Okay. Then third one, the person whom you like to play with and spend time is a... Who is that person? The letter starts with FR and ends with ND. Who is that? Yes, it is your friend. What's the spelling of friend? F-R. Yes, F-R. Then what? Yeah, very good. I-E-N-D. So, what's the spelling? F-R-I-E-N-D. Then fourth one. You should be dash in the library. Yes, whenever you are in the library, what did your teacher say? Yes, silence. What is the another word for silence? Yeah, quiet. Teacher will say keep quiet. Do you remember? Yeah. So, what's the spelling of quiet?
Q U I E T. What's the spelling? Q U I E T. Q U I E T. You should be quiet in the library. Okay? Dear children, today we discussed the grammar part from this textbook. We have completed the textual exercises and spellings in this lesson. You have to complete the textual activities and study it well. If you have any doubt, feel free to contact me. We will meet on next day with another topic. Till then, take care. Thank you.